campaign against tuberculosis gets a much-needed shot in the arm. Various government agencies have joined the World Health Organization in launching an intensified drive against the killer disease. This report.
The Department of World Health Organization and other government agencies formally launched a campaign against tuberculosis or TB. Based on a 2005 Department of Health report, tuberculosis kills 75 Filipinos every day and is considered the sixth leading cause of death in the country.
Ito'y isa sa mga tinatawag nating flagship program ng ating departamento, Department of Health, at bilang ganon talagang nakatuon ang ating mga serbisyo at ang ating mga talagang ginagawang mga pamamaraan ay makabago upang tuluyan ng mawala ang sakit na ito sa ating daigdig.
The World Vision Social Mobilization and Tuberculosis Project helps the National TB Control Program to finally stop the spread of TB through community participation. The program aims to reduce the number of people infected with TB by 50% in 2016.
Una sa lahat, nagagamot ang TB. Huwag pong matakot. Pumunta lang po sa inyong health center para tuluyan po nating ma-diagnose, masuri ang inyong plema. Tapos nun, libre naman po ang gamutan. Hindi nyo kailangan ng gamot hanggat maaari, tuloy-tuloy po ang gamutan ng 6 hanggang 8 buwan dahil kung hindi po natin araw-arawin ng gamutan, tatapang po ang mikrobyo, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na drug-resistant tuberculosis.
The project also aims to raise the awareness of the public, especially people living in far-flung areas, in villages, on the real causes of TB. Tuberculosis task forces have helped 20,000 patients in 5 provinces and 26 cities in the country.
Lumantad na po kayo at makipagtulungan po sa amin para po matulungan po namin kayo. Yung sakit na TB po ay gumagaling po yan.
Makialam, lahat tayo dapat makialam sa sakit na ito upang talaga makita natin ang isang bansa, so-called Philippines, free from the illness.
Makialam. Hindi kailangan maging mangmang, kailangan maging involved po tayo sa pagsugpo ng sakit na TB.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.